Hello everyone. In this video, we will talk about polygon. We will learn what is polygon. We will talk about different types of polygons, and we will also learn what are the various elements of a polygon. A polygon is defined as a simple closed curve made up of line segments only. Now, we need to pay attention to these words. It is a simple closed curve and it is made up of line segments only. So for example, we remember that a simple curve does not overlap. So this is not a simple curve. This is a simple curve. It does not overlap. What is a curve? Curve is any shape drawn without lifting the pencil. So this is a curve. This is a curve. But this is not a curve because here I have to lift the pencil. So this is important information we get from curve simple. Now what is closed curve? This was an open curve. Why? Because the start point and end point were separate, different. When the start and the end point is same, when the start and end point is same, they are closed curves. So what we need? We need a simple curve, which means does not overlap, does not cross. We need a closed, which means the start and end point has to be same. And of course, we need a curve, which means we should be able to draw that without lifting the pencil. There is one more requirement here, that it has to be made up of line segments only. So if I have this, is it a polygon? It satisfies this first thing. It is a simple curve. It is a curve. It is simple. It is closed, but it is not made up of line segments. It has to be entirely made up of line segments. Let me add this word, entirely. Simple closed curve entirely made up of line segments. If I have this, again still it is not a polygon. But what is a polygon is, I need to have, this is a polygon. This is a polygon because it is made up of entirely line segments. It is a curve, it is simple, it is closed and entirely made up of line segments. So that is a very important. So simple, closed, curve and line segments. These are important words in the definition of a polygon. Polygons at a high level can be classified as concave and convex. This is a concave polygon. If you see here, we are turning in. We have a little bit turning in. Whereas this is a convex polygon. There are no turning in. Okay, so if these two line segments, if they were like, they are turning inside, then it would become a concave, whereas this is convex. The polygons which we are going to discuss are going to be all convex polygons. Can I make a polygon using only two line segments? No, it cannot be a closed curve. It is simple, it is curve and it is made up of line segments, but it is not closed. So I cannot make a polygon using only two line segments. What about using three line segments? Yes, I can make a polygon using three line segments. So we need to understand that a polygon needs minimum three line segments. And The polygons are also named based on the number of line segments they are made up of. Actually, we don't call them line segments, we call them sides of a polygon. So first, let's talk about the different elements of polygon. So we talk about polygons, we talk about three elements: sides, vertices, and angles. So for example, triangle is a polygon. It has three sides. So number of line segments, here 1, 2, 3, the number of line segments is actually called as sides. So it has three sides. Vertices, where two line segments meet. So this and this line segment, they meet here. So this is one vertex. This and this line segment meet here. This is another vertex. This and this line segment meet here. So this is third vertex. So we have three vertices in a triangle. We'll name them. So I have A, B and C, three vertices in triangle. And the angles are formed by two line segments, two adjacent line segments. They form angle. So this is an angle, this is another angle, and this is third angle. So again, there are three angles in a triangle. So what we learned, line segments making a polygon are called sides of polygon. And the point at which two line segments meet, is called a vertex. Vertex is a singular word, whereas vertices is a plural. And the angles are formed by two adjacent line segments. These two line segments form this angle. Now once we have this information, now let's look at the different polygons which are named based on number of sides. A polygon with three sides is called a triangle. Polygon with four sides is quadrilateral. With five sides it is called a pentagon. 6 sides it is called hexagon. With 7 sides it is called heptagon. With 8 sides it is called octagon. With 9 sides it is called nonagon. And with 10 sides it is called decagon. I am sure you have liked the video. Hit the like button and leave your views in the comment section below. Do watch our other videos on this topic. Subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to get notifications whenever we upload new videos. You may also download the YouTube app at the link provided in the video description. Till we meet again, goodbye.